very important at Optimal. It's important for us. It's also important for our customers. What methodology is a standard way of conducting a project. So what we've done over the last 15 years is we've taken the accelerated SAP methodology, which is published by SAP and called ASAP, and we've customized it. We call that Optimize. And the Optimize methodology contains templates and tools and an extensive set of steps that we use every time we conduct an engagement. And what this does for us and for our clients is it makes the process much more efficient. It also makes sure that we are able to replicate positive results from one project to the next.
We're 3 weeks into our Optimized Services 1 implementation. This week I sat down with our CFO and other steering committee executives to provide an update on our progress and to review what our finance team and other key stakeholders can expect as we move forward through the middle and final phases of our implementation methodology. One of the key topics we discussed was the importance of clearly defined and understood deliverables for each phase of the project. This includes the sign-off process or phase gate reviews. These phase gate reviews are designed to ensure that prior to commencing a subsequent phase of the project, we have completed and agreed to the deliverables required of that phase of the project. These checkpoints are a key measure for ensuring the overall quality of the project.
Thanks for meeting again today, Mark. We wanted to, as the project sponsor, give you, another update in terms of our progress and talk to you a little bit about some of the steps within our methodology that we're taking in order to, continue the progress of the project.
Great. We're anxious to hear. What's the plan?
Okay, so within our methodology, here's our methodology broken into specific phases. We've completed the project preparation phase and are starting on the project blueprint phase. Any questions?
Conduct phase gate review. Go into more detail on the phase gate review. You had mentioned it and passed by. What are the specifics?
So as you remember, when we went through the project preparation stage and the kickoff meeting, we talked about a series of deliverables. Those deliverables, we have a formal list that was in the project charter document. Okay, that list had responsibilities and it had, by project phase, what specific items we would deliver to you.
Right.
So an example would be the business scenario inventory, and within the business scenario, each of the business scenarios, what is the as is and to be process. So we'll deliver to you for each of those business scenarios a document that will outline all of the requirements, any potential gaps that may exist, and how we will address those gaps, either through configuration or some sort of development. And an inventory of all the business processes that we've delivered in a pre-configured fashion that match, your business needs. So at the end of the blueprint phase, we will deliver to you all this documentation and require you to sign off on it. And once you sign off on it, that's our authorization to then proceed and build the system.
Got it. Looks good.